How to add a business location on Instagram. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, where we help you grow your business online. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your business location on Instagram. This is a must-have if you want customers to find your business easily and boost your visibility. First things first, make sure your Instagram account is set up as a business account. To do this, go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Account Type and Tools and switch to a business account if you haven't already. Next, we'll add your business address to your profile. Go to Edit Profile, scroll down to the Public Business Information section, and tap on E-Contact Options. Here, you'll find an option to add your business address. Enter the street address, city, and postal code, then hit Save. Once you've saved the details, go back to your profile and check. Your business location should now appear under your contact info. This makes it easy for customers to find you directly through your Instagram page. Want to add a custom location for your posts? Head over to your connected Facebook account, create a location for your business through the Create Check-in option, and it will sync with Instagram. Now, when you make posts or stories, you can tag your custom location to improve discoverability. And that's it. Now your business location is live on Instagram, making it easier for people to find and visit you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.